Hey, my name's Cam. I'm so excited to bring you the announcement you've all been waiting for. Yes, that's right, the Equip Festival 2024. So after the overwhelming positive feedback from last year, we are excited to announce that the festival this year will be 3 days again. And that will run on the 1st, the 2nd and the 3rd of November. We can't wait to see you all there. So, what is the Equip Festival? Well, it's a weekend to inspire, resource and encourage you. If you're a kids worker or involved in puppet ministry, if you want to share the gospel in a new and creative way, the festival is for you. A weekend full of fantastic seminars, hands-on workshops on a wide range of topics, from puppet ministry to science object lessons, kids ministry to storytelling, gospel illusions, drama workshops. There are so many different avenues for you to explore to advance your ministry. On top of that, there'll be inspiring performances from our special guests, Q&A panels, worship, and so much more.
We can't wait.
That's right, we can't wait, and we hope you can't wait too. So if you book your tickets before the end of April, you will get the chance to win this guy here.
What?
That's right. I said if you book your tickets before the 30th of April, you will be entered into a draw to win this exclusive Gen 4 puppet.
What? No one told me.
Well, it's news for us all, isn't it? It's fantastic news for us all. But if you book your tickets right now for Equip 24, you will get the chance to win this guy if you book before the end of April.
No, puppets have rights too, you know.
Equip 24, we'll see you there.